on prizes and get the hands. Sunday, May 31st, 2K26, Mississippi versus Tennessee car show. They say the track gonna be hot at 5. They got a lot of big wheel racing going on, so y'all might want to get down there. Down in Motorsports Racetrack in Holly Springs. They're gonna have a hard time shootout. One drop on the mic, gonna have some good Memphis grilling going on. $50 buy-ins, $25 admission, 25 car show entry. As well as the gates open at 2 p.m. Make sure y'all lock in with Damn Enterprises and get the hands. Let's go. What's up, Sid, man? You gotta say something to the people, man. What's up?